Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So Dollar General is rolling out 7 days of savings from April 12th through April 18th. And every single day has a brand new deal you don't want to miss. These offers change fast, they're 1 day only, and they're perfect for stacking with your digital coupons. So let's jump into the hottest savings for the week. Let's kick off Dollar General's 7 days of savings with Sunday's deals. Today only, you'll instantly save $5 when you spend $15 on L'Oreal assorted varieties, and that includes Garnier, Maybelline, Dark and Lovely, and more. If you need beauty, hair care, or skin care, this is the day to stock up. Let's keep rolling through Dollar General's 7 days of saving. On Monday, you can buy two and save $5 on Monday hair care. And this is on assorted varieties. Just remember, this deal excludes travel sizes, so make sure you're grabbing the full size products to get that instant savings. Then on Tuesday, April 14th, you'll spend $12 and save $5 on Degree deodorant and body wash assorted varieties. This one excludes invisible solids and twin packs, so stick to the qualifying items to make the deal work. On Wednesday, April 15th, it's a buy one, get one for $1. Now, here's the deal. It's on the big assorted varieties. You can mix and match. You must buy one $7 big premium razor to get one for $1. And then on Thursday, April 16th, it's buy one, get one 50% off on Suave varieties. And the items must be $3 or more. And we're closing out Dollar General's 7 days of savings with two really solid end of the week deals. On Friday, you've got a buy one, get one free offer on Old Spice or Secret whole body deodorant, assorted varieties. It excludes Old Spice's Alchemist, and the regular retail value is $13. And then on Saturday, April 18th, it's a buy one Dow bar soap 3 count and get one Dow hand soap 11 ounces for free. It's an easy, practical deal for restocking your bathroom or kitchen, and it pairs perfectly with your 5 off of 25 if you're planning on a bigger haul on Saturday. So that wraps up the full week of savings, from beauty and hair care to deodorant, soap, and everyday essentials. Whether you grab one deal or follow along all week, these offers are a simple way to stretch your budget and keep your home stocked. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.